Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, your ultimate destination for luxury property tours. Today, we are stepping inside a breathtaking 11,631 square foot estate that is truly an entertainer's paradise. With 6 bedrooms, 7 full baths, and 2 half baths, this mansion is designed for those who want both elegance and functionality. Let's take a tour of this architectural masterpiece. As we approach the property, you are immediately greeted by an industrial-style main gate, a statement of grandeur and modern design. The massive metal doors, highlighted with golden and yellow accents, set the tone for what's inside. The landscaped greenery and wide driveway complement the imposing gate, giving you that perfect first impression. Stepping inside, the grand lobby is nothing short of spectacular. Towering above is a 14-foot Hessam Abrashami painting and a 35-foot custom light fixture, flooding the space with light. Exotic marble floors, natural wood pillars, and Italian imported plants make this space feel both luxurious and welcoming. Every detail has been carefully curated to impress from the moment you walk in. Moving into the living room, you'll notice floor-to-ceiling windows that provide panoramic waterfront views. Plush yellow and green seating, golden accents, and modern furniture create an inviting and stylish lounge. This is the perfect space to entertain guests or just relax with family. The dining room is a masterpiece of elegance. A large wooden dining table, golden chandeliers, and green and yellow accents make it a space for unforgettable dinners. The sunlight streaming through the floor-to-ceiling windows illuminates every corner, highlighting the luxurious details. For those who love to cook, this estate offers a chef's kitchen featuring a marble island, high-end Miele appliances, and a large gas stove. The breakfast bar and open layout make this a functional yet stylish space. Every meal here feels like a 5-star experience. This 3-story mansion features a bar on each floor. Whether it's a casual evening with friends or a full-scale party, these spaces are designed for maximum entertainment. The golden and yellow accents tie in beautifully with the overall color scheme of the estate. Working from home never felt this inspiring. The office overlooks the water, providing a calm and motivating environment. Floor-to-ceiling windows let in natural light, making it a perfect blend of productivity and relaxation. Movie nights are taken to a new level with a fully soundproof theater equipped with reclining seats. The attention to detail ensures an immersive experience, making it perfect for family nights or entertaining guests. The primary suite is a private retreat, featuring a custom bookshelf, luxurious bedding in yellow and green, and sweeping water views. Every bedroom in this mansion offers stunning vistas, combining comfort and elegance for all family members or guests. The estate also includes a modern gym with swings, yoga space, and all the latest equipment. Yellow, green, and golden accents continue the theme, making fitness an inspiring and luxurious experience. Outside, the estate offers a sparkling pool, lounging areas, and lush landscaping. As a member of the club at Harbor Beach, residents enjoy access to a private beach, pool, pickleball courts, and more. The outdoor spaces are designed for both relaxation and entertainment. This 11,631 square foot estate truly combines luxury, design, and functionality. From the industrial-style main gate to the panoramic waterfront views, it is an entertainer's dream and an architectural showpiece. If you want to experience the pinnacle of South Florida luxury living, this property is a must-see. Quote, "Thank you for joining us on American Dream Mansions. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for daily tours of the most stunning estates." I'm Jonathan Vega, and I'll see you at the next luxury property.